it's Kathy from Crafty Chica, and I'm going to show you how to make ice cream cupcakes. These are so fun to make, perfect for summer. You're going to take a silicone cupcake mold and fill it with ice cream. You can melt it a little, smush it in there, and then I just picked up some store-bought cupcakes. I scraped off the frosting. I got a little too excited. That's why you still see the sprinkles all over the place. Anyway, you're going to put the unfrosted cupcake face down onto the ice cream, press it in there, put it in the freezer for a couple hours until it is frozen, and then remove them. Look at that. You can trim off the excess to make it look pretty and centered, but this is definitely an ASMR type of project because it just feels so good to pull these out of the silicone mold. Okay, next we're going to take some hard shell chocolate and white chocolate, shake them up really well, and put them in a little bowl. You could also put nuts or sprinkles, whatever you'd like, and just dip the ice cream into the hard shell coating. It takes a few seconds to harden, so you gotta work kind of fast. If you want to double dip it so it's white on the bottom and chocolate on the top, that would be cute also. I could even see you decorating these with piped frosting around them, like little mini cakes. And once you're done dipping it, you can add whatever you want on top, maybe tiny marshmallows, coconut. I just put chopped nuts on top. You could add whipped cream and a cherry. So this is what it tastes like. Once you bite into it, it's like an ice cream cone on the top, like a drumstick. But then when the ice cream is gone, the cupcake is fully intact. It is not soggy. It is a perfect combo of cake and ice cream. Let me know what you think. Would you want to try this? It's so easy to make and you're going to love it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And happy crafting and happy cupcake eating also.